Not so many years ago, we used to travel overseas once, maybe more, every year. Of course, back then, if you did that, you'd have to either extend your current mobile plan to roaming overseas or buy a local SIM to use in the country you're in. And yes, we've all seen the ads for eSIMs. And this one will be no different because there will be a discount code in a while. But what nobody ever mentions is that sometimes you just can't use an eSIM in your phone. So before you look at any eSIM, check to make sure your phone actually supports them, because they don't all. The other thing they never mention is that you can be living in whatever country you're living in now and use an eSIM full time. So I'm going to show you how to set up an eSIM if you have a compatible phone, and we'll do this together because I've never done it. Yeah, so either using the QR code on your screen or the web address esim.dashiemobile.com, and you'll see down there there's a find my plan. I'll handle the rest, but in this case we'll scroll across. In my case, in Australia, Oceania. Well, this is where you want to use it anyway. For example, if you're in the Middle East, I guess you have options there where you want to use it. But we'll go back, because in my case I want to use it in Australia. And you might too if you're coming to Australia. So there's the different plans there. We don't want to go to Fiji. We do want to go to Australia. Choose options. They're in euros. Well, they are for me. It's not a currency. Yeah, so you have 7 days for 1 gig, 15 days for 3 gigabyte data, all the way down to half a year for 50 gig. So let's say we want a month. We're travelling around Australia for a month, or we're using it like a normal month-by-month plan in Australia. We'll do a test. So we'll add it to the cart. We'll go to checkout. You can view your cart if you want. And the normal things there. Put in your email, method of payments, name and address, blah, blah. Your mobile phone, which I guess if you're already using a mobile phone in Australia, in this case, you'd put that in there. In my case, we want Australia, not the Netherlands. We'll be right up the top. There we are. Yeah, so we don't want to pay by anything. And what I wanted to show you is down here somewhere, review order. Oh yeah, here we go. Add discount. And this is where you want to put the discount code, which you see there, Steve Mac. So you type that in. I don't know if caps matter, but Steve Mac, and you'll get 5% off. You apply it, and it's dropped it down. Not much in this case, because there was only a tiny little plan. Then you, continue to pay. You know what to do now. So that's how easy it is. So now let's take a look at how to install the phone if you have a phone that supports eSIMs. So first go over to settings. This is on a Samsung phone, that may be different for an iPhone. So go into connections, under SIM manager, add eSIM, and choose how to add your eSIM. In this case we're going to scan the QR code, which is on your screen now. Then you add the eSIM. That will just install it. This process may be different depending on your phone. And then you can name the eSIM whatever you want. In this case we're keeping it as eSIM 1. Then you can select which SIM you want to use. The one that's in your phone already, or the eSIM. Okay, and you can always switch your preferences between how you want them to work, whether you want data on one SIM and something else on the other. Yeah, so you can just switch between SIM cards. Well, of course the eSIM is not a physical card like the one you probably have in your phone. So you can then turn the one in your phone off if you like and use just the eSIM. And of course you can do the opposite. If you want to use the one in your phone, you can turn the eSIM off. Or you may wish to allocate one SIM for one purpose and one for the other. It's entirely up to you how you want to customize it. And then of course you go about using your phone however you normally use it. So remember, if your phone is compatible with eSIM, it's as easy as following the instructions. Just go to the website esim.dashiemobile.com. Use the code on the screen, Steve Mac, one word, for a 5% discount on every order. Leave a comment down below if you do use an eSIM currently or you have done in the past. See you in my next video. Cheers.